Someone hits you with their car and immediately takes off. Now what? In this video, I'm going to break down what happens when you get into a hit and run accident and whether or not car insurance will cover it. Hey there, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about something we all hope never happens: getting into a hit and run accident. Will your auto insurance cover it? And most importantly, what you can do to protect yourself in this scenario. Depending on the type of insurance coverage your auto policy has, it may be able to help with the cost to repair your vehicle, as well as any medical expenses if there were any injuries sustained. Collision coverage is optional, but if you have a loan or lease on your vehicle, it's most likely required to carry this coverage by your lender. Keep in mind, there is a deductible assigned to collision coverage, which is usually $500 to $1,000. Higher deductible usually means a slightly lower premium. But remember, the deductible is the portion that you are responsible for paying, so make sure it's an option that you can afford. There's also comprehensive coverage, which is also optional, but would cover your vehicle if it was parked and it was hit. Again, you would still be responsible for paying your deductible if you filed a claim. The next coverage is uninsured motorist property damage, which is mandated in some states and available as an option in others, but not all states. Uninsured motorist property damage coverage typically has a deductible too, similar to your comprehensive and collision coverages. So if you don't carry collision coverage, you could add uninsured motorist property damage if your state offers it. Uninsured motorist will help cover injuries to the driver and passengers from the hit and run. This coverage is also optional in some states, and if you elected to have medical payments added to your policy, this would also help cover medical costs associated with the hit and run accident. To ensure that your vehicle is properly protected in a hit and run, make sure you review these optional coverages with your agent, since every situation is different. So if you have questions about your current coverage, or you just want to speak to an experienced agent, click the link below to connect with one of our agents. And you can drop any comments or questions below, and remember to hit that like and subscribe button.